Hello everyone, I'm Golnush and this is letmebee YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to make this beautiful brain on wood board with texture. Let's go to start the video. I put a layer of black acrylic paint on the surface of my board. After the background color was completely dry, I stuck the printed design of a brain on the surface with wood glue. I made a gray texture paste into the plastic bag and poured it on my brain design. After this step, I let the paste dry for 2 hours.
Two hours later.
Then I repeat several times, putting the texture paste on each layer in the same way as you can see. I speed up these few steps in the video, but I suggest you watch carefully because you need to give the texture paste a wrinkled brain shape between each step. Here, I decided to darken between the lines to give volume to the texture of my work, but it didn't come out well at all, and I covered my work with texture again. As you can see in the picture, I create wrinkle with my finger or the end of the brush so that the paste scratches up a bit and look like brain tissue. Let it dry completely.
2,000 years later.
When it's getting dry, a layer of varnish is a good choice.
The next morning.
This is the result. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you all and see you on the next video. Bye.